Okay, okay. Okay.
Nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika rero ari hano kuri stade Amahoro i Remera, ariko
umuntu ufite ubushobozi ariko buri wese azana ubushobozi bwe bwubaka igihugu. Iyo hatsinze igihugu haba hatsinze abantu benshi, ntabwo umuntu ubutsinze gusa. Infantino is the president of FIFA, right? And I want to start by thanking him. You know, imagine his Christmas and together with his family, they would have had it anywhere else and had some good rest. But they decided to come here to share Christmas with you in football spirit. Thank you again. Yes, I'm going to tell you that I'm going to find it in Rwanda. Yes, it doesn't work. Now, football, I think President of FIFA has explained it well. The good things it gave us to people, especially young people, of all backgrounds. There is something else he didn't mention, which actually uses football to deliver. And he's been very emphatic, he's been very strong about it. He uses football to bring people together for peace. I'm not right to here. This is our stadium. So this is the right place to use football to actually deliver peace. You know, we don't have enough peace in our region. But he has been using the football to contribute to bringing peace to our region and beyond.
Thank you very much, dear Minister, dear President. Hello! I didn't hear that. Hello! Now we start. This is the one I know. Hello! Is it not beautiful? Fantastic. I'm so happy. I am so happy to be here with you today in Kigali, in this beautiful, beautiful stadium. Congratulations, President. Congratulations to Rwanda. This is a state of the art, and we will actually play the FIFA series in March here in this very stadium, international matches, and it will be absolutely beautiful. Let me say, dear children, how happy and proud I am to be here today, because we celebrate Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas. We celebrate you. We celebrate the children of Rwanda, of this beautiful, beautiful country. Congratulations to all of you. And we heard it today. We are, of course, distributing 1,000 balls. We will, and I can confirm this here, we will build the additional 20 FIFA arenas in 20 schools around the country. These beautiful mini pitches, 20 more will be 30 in Rwanda. We will continue with all our projects for you, for the children of this beautiful country, for the children of my country, for the children of Rwanda. Thank you. Thank you so much. And let me tell you one more thing. You mentioned the ball, right? And you would think this is a ball, right, President? You would think this is a ball. But did you see? Look at this. Look. Jimmy? Yeah. You see, immediately when you start turning the ball to everyone, ready? Look. Yes. They start smiling and they start playing. Because it's not just a ball, President. Dear children, this is not just a ball, this is a magic instrument which transforms every child and every person in a happy child and a happy person. So we are here with you to share this happiness, to share with you the magic of football, playing football. You might become the new Messi or the new Ronaldo or the new Samuel Eto'o or the new Didier Drogba, maybe, but for sure you will become a better person, a better human being.
220 young boys and girls from football academies across Rwanda. They represent the energy, discipline, and promise that sport brings.